Hi everybody, it is time to show you how to make a really cool dessert on the grill using pineapple, and you can also do this with peaches. So I took a pineapple and I sliced it down into about an inch thick, maybe just under an inch thick, okay? So some are a little bit thicker than others. So I didn't take the core out, but I am taking all the eyes off. So the skin and the eyes of the pineapple. So I'm just using our ceramic knife from Epicure and going around and just peeling it just like you would peel a potato, okay? So you want this to be fairly thick. And what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be grilling these on the barbecue because I wanna do a grilled barbecue dessert with pineapple. So we're just going around and I'm taking the eyes and the skin off. Hi, Erin, how are you? So post below where you're from. I still have to do a draw from one of my classes I did last night. So I'm going to do that for you guys. But I just want to show you how to do this piece. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to sprinkle the Epicure caramel sauce on this, on both sides. And then I'm going to hit it on the grill. All right? So get rid of that. I'm actually going to do a couple of peaches too. So I'm just going to slice the peach. These have been washed, and take them off. And I'm going to grill a couple of peaches too. So I'm going to take the nut out, but I'm not going to use my ceramic knife to do that because I could break my ceramic knife. So I'm actually going to just slice it in. And we're going to grill a couple of peaches for this dessert too. So, you know, a lot of people are looking, hey, I feel like having some really cool desserts. So this is a great option for you guys. Are you using your Epicure spices, guys? What are some of your favorites that you're using for the summer season? Tonight I'm actually going into a private group. If you guys want to come and watch a grilling class that I'm doing, a marinating class, you guys can come watch that if you want. Kind of butchered up this peach, that's okay. Let me just wipe my hands. Now what I'm going to do is Epicure has the Epicure caramel sauce. This is like amazing. So you can make a caramel sauce with it with whipping cream. You can whip the cream and make like a light dessert with that as a topping. You can make icing with this. I'm going to use it two ways today. I'm opening up my container, my package, and I'm on a cookie sheet. I'll pull this back so you guys get to see. I love this dessert, by the way. So you have your pineapple and your peaches. It's just on a cookie sheet with a bacon mat, but I'm going to put it right on the grill. And I'm going to sprinkle the caramel spice blend right on the pineapple and on the peaches. Okay, that's how simple it is to do. And what's going to happen is when this hits the grill, it's going to start to caramelize. And if you want to hit it again when it's on the grill with a bit of extra spice blend, you can. But it smells so good. This is so, if you've not tried the caramel sauce, it's amazing. How's Erin doing? Post below, Erin, how you doing? Thanks for watching. There is a link to my cooking class for tonight. If you're interested in joining that, it's the Easy Summer Cooking. It's a grilling class. It's a private group that you can jump in, and then it's going to be alive for a week and then it dies. So if any of you want to jump in on that. Okay, so that's how easy it is to season and get your fruit ready to go. Now what I'm going to do is I really love, this is just plain Greek yogurt, okay? And I'm going to add the rest of my caramel sauce to this. And I'm going to stir it, okay? And mix all that in. And I'm going to have a really beautiful caramel yogurt that I'm going to be putting on top of the grilled pineapple when it comes off the barbecue. So I'll show you those steps a little bit later. So let's stir that around. And that's how easy it is to flavor up your plain Greek yogurt with different flavors from Epicure. And I'm making a mess here. So that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm going to go light the barbecue, and then I'll come back and show you what this looks like once it's all finished. All right? Have a great day. Bye, guys.